Hi, hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see the products which I purchased during the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale. So this is a superb makeup haul which I purchased a lot of items which I wanted to buy for a long time. It had a lot of discounts and it had a lot of offers which were available. So we'll go through these items one by one. So I will show you these products in detail. So I'll go brand wise. I'll show you the products which I got for each brand and what free products which I got. I will mention the prices of these products in the description box so you can have a look at it. So let me start. I'll start with the Nykaa products which I purchased. The first one is the Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. This is of shade Maple 10. I already have the shade Honey, but it was a little darker for me, so I wanted to go for a little bit more lighter shade. So I went for Maple. So it came in a tube. I expected a pump. So this is the shade. Next one is the Nykaa's foundation. So this is the hydrating foundation and this is of shade True Tan. So that is the shade. Next one is the Nykaa's Matte to Last Pore Minimizing Foundation. So this is their new launch and I got the shade 09 Tan. So this is the shade. So I hope the shade suits me. I will be doing a video with all the Nykaa foundations, the 4 different types, and the best shades which goes well with for a medium to dusky skin tone. So that's why I got all these foundations. I also got this mascara from Nykaa. So this is the Lash Top Mascara. Also got this Nykaa's matte lipstick. It's the Luxe lipstick and it's of shade Athleisure. So that's the packaging. That's the shade and I really liked it. I got these 2 products free when I purchased the items. So this is the Nykaa All Day Matte Lipstick and this is the shade. It's a nice pink shade. And this one is the eye pencil and it's the Golden Fleur. So these are the Nykaa products. So next I will show you the Mamaearth products which I got. I got this set of 5 soaps. So this is a really good soap. I've been using this for a long time and this is Ubtan Nourishing bathing soap. So you have set of 5 and I also got this mascara from Mamaearth. It's got nice big bristles. I got this Kajal free for the Mamaearth products. This is the one. Next, I will show you the Faces Canada products which I purchased. This is the Ultime Pro Face Palette from Faces Canada. So it's got a contour shade, a blush and a highlighter. And I got this eyeshadow palette. I think this is a new launch from Faces Canada. This is it. This is of shade Hopeless Romantic. You should ideally turn it like this. So it's got 6 different shades. And I also got these wipes, makeup remover wipes. So this is mainly for traveling purpose which I got. And I got this lipstick as free for purchasing the Faces Canada products. This is the Ultime Pro Matte Lipstick and this is of shade Dash of Pink. So these versions of lipsticks are really good from Faces Canada. I have many other shades. So this is a nice pink shade. Next, let me show you the Swiss Beauty products which I purchased. I got this highlighting primer from Swiss Beauty. So this is how the packaging is. And I got these eyelashes, false eyelashes. This is called Drama. And I also got the eyelash glue. And I got this lip liner as well from Swiss Beauty. And this is of shade Sandy Pink. And I got this lipstick as free from Swiss Beauty. I'm not sure what the shade is. I think it's called 09. And that's the shade. I know it looks really very dark shade. Apart from that, I also got this PAC blending brush. So this is a really good brush which I've used earlier. So that's the brush. It's got really soft bristles and it blends in the foundation really well. As I said, I already had one earlier, but I gave it to my sister, so I purchased another one. So next I'm going to show you the K Beauty products which I've been wanting to buy for a long time. So let me show you them. So the first one is the blush. This is of shade Tickled Pink. The packaging. I really love the packaging of K Beauty products. They are really classy. So this is the shade Tickled Pink. It comes with a mirror. It's a nice light pink shade. The next one is the Compact, Matte Compact. This is of shade 160 White Tan. That's the packaging. And that is the shade. So this doesn't come with a sponge or anything. So the next one is the K Beauty Liquid Concealer. This is of shade 170p Tan. I actually wanted to purchase 160N medium, but it was not in stock. But this says it is P Tan, which I think is for a pink undertone. So I'm not sure if this will suit me. So that's the shade. Okay, so the next one is the cream blush from K. And this is of shade Rustic Rush. That's the packaging. I think this is really pigmented and it's a really good shade for a dusky skin tone. What I've heard is you have to apply a very little quantity on your face because it is really pigmented. The next one is the color correcting primer from K, and this is the orange color corrector. I wanted to go for the actual color corrector, but the orange shade was not available, so I purchased this primer instead. So I'm just using it here. So it's blending in well. So it's got a very lightweight formula and it is blending in well. But I'm not sure if it will really, do the work of color correcting. I think I have to use it and see whether it will work. So I'm planning to do a full face of K Beauty makeup look. So I'll give it a try and see how it works. The next one is the Contour and Highlight Pro Palette. So that's the packaging. I really like the packaging, as I said earlier, from K. It looks really classy. So you have 3 shades here. It can be used for bronzing, highlighting, contouring. So the next one is the K Beauty's High Drama Smoky Kajal. So this comes with this kajal. And a smudger. So So I've seen various looks with this particular kajal and I really liked it, so I wanted to give it a try. And the next one is the eyeshadow palette from K, and this is of shade Pure Bloom. Again, I love the packaging. So this again comes with a mirror and these lovely shades. So I've heard that these are really highly pigmented. I really love this one. So as I said, I will be doing a full face K-Beauty full face makeup with the K-Beauty products. So I will try all these products and let's see how it looks. Finally, this is the free product which I got for K. So this is the Metal Show eyeshadow stick and this is of shade Navigator. This is a nice dark shade. Have to definitely give it a try to see how it looks. So these are the products which I got from the Nykaa's Hot Pink Sale. So I really loved all the products which I got from here, and most of these products are for a medium to dusky skin tone. So I will provide the details of all the products in the description, the shade and the price, so you can give it a try and see if you like the products. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day ahead.